Comparison of the effect of using 3D mesh fabric directly and using silicone foam. 3D mesh fabric and fabric cover used together effect. First, lay the 3D mesh fabric flat. Lay the fabric cover flat again. See what happens when you put your clothes on the ironing table. Not enough negative pressure because it's too breathable. Therefore, the suction effect is weakened. Effect of using with silicone foam. First, lay the 3D mesh fabric flat. Spread the silicone foam flat. Lay the fabric cover flat again. See what happens when you put your clothes on the ironing table. Significant suction effect. Neither product absorbs water. Can keep ironing table surface dry. Ironing results will be improved as well. Significant labor savings.